All right, number 4. You know, I brought a water bottle to work and forgot it. Oh well. It's a nice day, so you got rap music going on over here. All kinds of fun stuff. Round 4 here. Roadrunner. Who knows if I get popped? If I do, I do. That's the way she goes. There's some rap song going on. And it's like, yeah, okay, that's what. Anyway, it's too bad, but it's the way it goes. It takes away the vibe of the show, having that screaming out like that. They just don't get it. You don't want that behavior. Here's a nice right here. If they want someone to do something like to promote it, you can't have that kind of music in the background. Not just for my channel, for big channels. People that come out here and get lots of views. You don't want those channels to get worried about pushing it out. So that's a nice car right there. There's another right here. Boss VO2. Boss VO2. Born 43 years. Nice. You say 1986? I think. I don't know. Can't really tell. This kind of takes away from the vibe when you got rap music, rap in the background, and you're trying to enjoy a car show. GTO, another one. This kind of ruins it. So, I forgot my water bottle. I'm like, hey God. So I'll get some water here later on, next video or something, but this is kind of nice one right here. Look at that bad boy. Woo. 455, nice. Very, very nice. Picture that bad boy. Yep. You got another, might be a Grand Prix, I don't know if over here, but kind of interesting. It's too bad they got that wrap going like that. It kind of ruins everything. Got some Impalas over here.
Folks, I'm up here in the Four Corners, and I'm here with my man.
That's kind of a nice one right there.
I've been trying to come over for the last.
Like I've been at the RV shows, they got music playing. It's like when you're trying to sell an RV to somebody and you got music in the background. It doesn't work. So, here's a SS convertible. Oh well, forgot the water bottle. I'm a moron. Like, bastards. Oh well. Again, there's so many. There's music going on back there right now, so I kind of passed by that. Gave the cameras a little bit of a break. It's a great show, like I said, man. Great show. Here's some Impala right here. That bad boy. Nice. SS. Oh yeah. Interesting truck right there. I love this. Oh, look at this one over here. That's a nice truck right there. Very nice truck. Look at that bad boy. Whew. Going postal. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, we get all sorts of questions here at the booth. Pricing is one, obviously.
Look at that.
We do operate.
Look at that wagon over there.
The show this weekend, we do $500 off for an engine, $1,000 off for an engine transmission package. But then I'm happy to help with any technical questions. If you guys
nice.
have an engine or you're working on one, I'm happy to help in any way I can. Technical knowledge on the one.
Beautiful. That's a beast. That's the kind you want to go out, drive around with your better half. Hell yeah.
One of the things that I questioned was when we were originally talking.
When I was here, this malt place was open. When I was here for the back to 50s. It was open. Shocked they weren't for this, especially on a hot day. We'll get some water. I see it. That's a nice wagon right there. Nice wagon. Took 90 pictures so far. Look at that bad boy. Right, it's a Caprice. Oh yeah. Put the top down, bro. No, it's an Impala, excuse me. Thought it was a Caprice. 400 in that bad boy. Oh yeah. It's a big one too. It's a classic convertible. See if you'll walk right and buy that. Oh, we got a 65 Chevy Impala over here. Gotta go see it. It's an SS too. Oh. Sitting in the shade where it belongs. It's got the original bottle here too as well. Mine had this original bottle it comes with, extra fluid. Yep. Blue, very nice. Very nice. Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. We got all of our information here at the booth, so my phone number,
Yep.
the website, and
Got that on the ground there.
we have in person.
Nice.
Go online or come in person, come check out.
Very, very nice.
It's going to be listed online there, pricing.
434, triple 350 trans. Nice. Yep. Love I can get at it. Very nice. My baby girl. I'd love to have one just like this, be a convertible. Well, here's a nice Mustang coming up, Mussy coming up here. Probably a 74 convertible. Over here. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Whew. Beautiful, huh? And a GT over there. See a GT over there? Whoa. We'll go take a look at that one. Either in this video or the next video. Let's scoot over there, shall we? We'll look at that one real quick. Got Challenger. Here's this one right here, another GTO convertible. Remember when they were scrapping these out in the 60s, way back in the 80s? You get them for pennies on the dollar. That bad boy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Hell yeah. Look at that interior. Love the radio. Nice and clean. You're not going to see a lot of GTOs. That's the problem when you go to the other show. I mean, there's just some basic cars, but there's a lot of fun cars. And if they let everything in like 70, there'd be so many vehicles at that. Back to 50s, it wouldn't even be fun. We'll go over here real quick. Oh, I remember this guy from last year. He's exactly what was last year. Remember him. Talked to him last time.
What if I told you I know 50-year-old alien secret that nobody had paid for you?
Those wheels. Ooh. It's a 2019 Ram 1500. I don't think that's factory. Nice. You guys think about that, huh? Whew. Very nice. Remember him last year when he was here? Very nice. Get in here, Leah. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Oh yeah. A nice one. Mach 1. Very nice. Mike. 72. That's a, this one needs a little work. You could have someone make you a seat. That wouldn't be a big deal. I mean, people will do it for you. So you could work on that one a little bit. Put a new convertible in there. Min 69. Dave 651-235-0439. 69. Fun to finish it out. Have them put a convertible in there for it. Someone could do it. It would cost you some money, but well worth it if you have the money. What the hell? Why not, right? Yellow beast over there. Old little Honda. I haven't seen the AMCs. I'm very disappointed in the behaviors of the show. What the hell? See, a lot of guys won't bring their older cars here because they just want 57 Chevys. It'd be beneath them to bring them here. So old, I love the Rangers. Kia's got to make one like this. Make them cab and a half, four-wheel drive. Oh, nice. Look at that bad boy. Take a picture of that bad boy, huh? Very nice. The Judge. Nice. Look at this bad boy. Woohoo! Nice. It's a Ranchero, I know that much. Love that. Oh, it's an El Camino. Very nice. My mom dated a guy, we called him El Camino Bob. He had a yellow one. He ended up moving to, what happened is, we could find a wheelchair. Just a really nice guy. Worked for Red Owl. But, all right, guys. See you in the next one.